Right, hi guys. We have a parcel to open today. Now I know what's in this, but you don't. And so, let's have a look, shall we? I know exactly what's in here. I just haven't even seen it yet. I've had it for over a week. It's pretty terrible when you come to think of it, I suppose. Why would you buy something that cost £250 and not open it? That's what I wondered about as well. But I thought I'd do it as a video so we can find out, yeah? So, here we go. Oh dear. What a terrible job. I have to be careful here because I don't want to cut into the thing itself. Right. I'm using my Stanley multi-tool to open this box. Okay. Because it's got a sharp blade in it. God, nearly sliced my own arm open then. Oh. I don't know, I don't like the way people wrap things up, quite honestly. I really don't. I wouldn't wrap things up like this. Oh no. I'm going to have to slice down the corner. There we go. We're getting somewhere now. Aren't we just? Here we go. Oh, as I see, it's always full of those awful peanuts. Those awful polystyrene peanuts things are full of. I wish people wouldn't do that. You could do it a lot easier by filling it up with scrunched up newspaper, you know? So I'm going to turn this box the other way around now so that the peanuts stay on the top. There we go. Yeah, that's better. So anyway, we'll get this paper out. This paper. And then the thing itself is here. But, you know, I really don't like these peanuts. They're going to go everywhere. There we go. They're falling everywhere. So anyway, there we go. So, we've got a little thing in here. Usual kind of thing that says, I hope you are satisfied with your purchase. If so, please leave me good feedback on eBay. If you are not, please let me know so that I can resolve these quickly for you. Many thanks for your business. I'm not going to read you the name because, well, it's one of my trusted dealers. And, I don't know. Well, he might not you. I don't know. I don't know if he'd let me. Anyway, so here we go then. It's wrapped up in bubble wrap. That's a good amount of bubble wrap, that, isn't it? I can use that again. I like big amounts of bubble wrap because they come in handy. I mean, why buy things when you don't need to? That's what I always say. Now, does anyone have a clue what this might be? I have a clue what it is, because I bought it. So, here we go. Oh dear. Oh no. It's so tricky. So tricky. it's all so hard to do. Here we go. We're getting there. We're getting there. We really, really are. As you see, this thing comes in a box. Okay. Here you go. I'll give you a clue. It's Russian. Well, that's one bit off. And then we got the next bit off. Oh, I like the way the box is actually. It's quite good. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. Oh, goodness gracious. So difficult to do. There we go. Yep. There we are. There we are. So there we go. Look. There we go. That's what we got. Now, I showed you one of these, didn't I, earlier? I showed you one of these. It was the toboggan thing that used to be in the background here. But of course the one I had didn't have the box, didn't have the instruction leaflet, wasn't complete, didn't have the original key, and didn't work. But this does. So, well, I'm led to believe it does. So, the next video I show you will be working. And because it should come with 2 toboggans to this, I kept the other toboggan from the other one, but I threw the rest of it in the rubbish. Because, you know, it would have taken up space and didn't work. And it annoyed me. But I got this. So, I'll end this video here. I'll have this up and running, and the next video will be following. Okay, bye!